Namaste. My name is Jas Chawlia. I am from Barpali. My sister and brother, you know or not, Bhagirathi Patnaik was from Barpali. Bhagirathi Patnaik was born on 9 November 1884 at Barpali. His parents were Jagannath Patnaik and Kumari Bani. He sometimes worked as Odia teacher at Sima Gaon and later joined as a Nazir court of Patna King Prithviraj Singh Dev for 9 years. But when he started protesting against it, arrested and sent to jail of Balangir. After he released, he brought a charkha and started spinning khadar. He also trained his son Prafulla and wife Jamubati in charkha. When Gandhiji launched non-cooperation movement in 1920, it spread everywhere and in Samalpur, it received under the leadership of Chandrasekhar Behera. During this time, Bhagirathi Patnaik played an important role to mobilizing people in a massive scale. When Gandhi, after suspension of non-cooperation movement and Gaya session of Congress, when Gandhiji arrested on 11 January 1923, that time Bhagirathi Patnaik along with his friend observed Hartal in Samalpur on 18 January 1923. Jamubati Devi was wife of Bhagirathi Patnaik. She born at Binka. After getting married to Bhagirathi Patnaik of Barpali, she also entered into freedom movement. Bhagirathi Patnaik fighting for Swaraj. Swaraj means self-rule. In early morning, entire family of Bhagirathi Patnaik left home and set out their journey, moved different villages to spread idea of Gandhiji. She also established ashram at Balitikra, Tukurla, Bargad, Budharaja, Samalpur, etc. By doing this, she strengthens Congress organization and motivates female leaders for movement. For the first time, he participated in civil disobedience movement and get prison in Samalpur jail. Under the leadership of Jamubati Devi, 10 women joined Satyagraha in Baleswar. When Gandhiji decided to suspend civil disobedience movement, many individual salt satyagraha began to launch in different parts of country. In August 1933, Jamubati Devi picketed foreign liquor shop and foreign cloth shop in Marwadipada, Samalpur and in Bargad, for which she sent to jail for 4 months. After he released on 18 September 1933, Bhagirathi Patnaik approached district magistrate of Samalpur that they were going to adopt civil disobedience movement. Their apply was rejected and they got arrested. Bhagirathi and his son Prafulla sent to Patna jail and Jamubati Devi sent to Bhagalpur Central jail. After completion of jail, he joined as volunteers to serve destitute of earthquake. They also honored to spend night with Gandhiji. When Jamubati Devi returned to Barpali, people of Barpali do procession to welcome her. Bhagirathi Patnaik and his family turned Barpali Mati like gold, so we cannot forget them. We should remember them. Bhagirathi Patnaik Amar Rahe. Jai Hind, Jai Barpali Mati.